Welcome back. In this session, we are going to set up the environment required for this course. In order to identify the resources required, let's look back at the solution architecture. Firstly, we need an Azure subscription to be able to create all our resources in the cloud. We need a data factory to help with the ingestion and transformation processes. Data flow is part of the data factory, so we don't need to create any additional resources for that. We need an Azure blob storage to keep our population data. We'll also use this blob storage to keep some of our conflict files for the data factory and also the script for the HD Insight transformation when we come to do that. We'll need a data lake to store our ingested and transformed data, and as the storage we're reporting, we'll use the Azure SQL database. We'll also need an Azure Databricks cluster and the HD Insight cluster to do some of our transformations. So these are the 7 resources we need for this course. We'll create everything except the Azure Databricks cluster and the HT Insight cluster in this module. They're inexpensive and required from the beginning of the project continually. Azure Databricks cluster and the HD Insight cluster are slightly expensive to run, so we'll create them when we need them and destroy as soon as we finish the transformations. Having said that, you should be able to use the free subscription to study the course and stay within the free credit if you follow the guidance given along the way. So that's the end of this session. And I'll see you in the next session where we will be creating the Azure subscription. So I'll see you then.